Hello, friends. How are you all? Hope you are doing great at various aspects of your lives. Welcome to another book review podcast by Team Think Reviews. Today, we are going to talk about an interesting book that is written in Hindi, Iraqi Kahaniya by Pranav, published by Notion Press Incorporation on 12th April 2018. This book is a short book, comprises of 58 pages only. This book, Iraqi Kahaniya, is meant for kids. It is provided by the author's team to us in exchange of unbiased book review, and I am glad that I got a chance to read this short book. As always, the views and reviews mentioned here are personal and unbiased. While the childhood is considered as the best period of one's life, it is one of the most precious as well as the most fragile period also. The personality of a future citizen is developed during this age, and he or she got to get the first hand of the society. The image or prejudices made at this age remains there almost throughout the life, and thus the parents needs to implant the right emotions, morals, ethics, and attributes of humanity into the growing ups. That is why not only in the Indian way of living, but almost in every culture, the children's special tales, poems, and stories are found. At one end, they are full of entertainment attributes, and at the other, they convey a message or more than one messages, be it Panchatantra, Hitopadesh, Amar Chitra Katha, or other tales. They all came to existence to spread the wisdom. This book, Iraqi Kahaniya, is a small gesture of author in the same arena. Let us take a look at the cover page of the book. As you can see in the podcast cover, the cover page of this book is quite attractive. An illustration of a very young girl dancing with joy, having blue background, though the shade drags towards purple, having little stars, gives an impression of the fantasy world. The glossy finish of the cover page makes it durable and gives it the touch of richness as well. I found the cover page quite attractive. What do you think of it? There are 12 small poem cum tales explored in this book. Here are some interesting lines I have found there. धीरे धीरे हम बढ़ेंगे और बनेंगे अच्छे इंसान. It is said that with the child, the parents also grow. For the wise and responsible parents, it is a positive change and they became more mature, wise and responsible. And they want their child to be a better citizen to make the society even a better place. While everyone wants to give the protected environment to their child, it is also essential to let him or her understand that one needs to dream about the better world and better future, and at the same time, one needs to put in hard work to turn those dreams into the reality. There are some fantastic lines about hard work and dreams in the book, which are repeated on page 35 as well. The lines I am going to mention now are simple, yet they contain deep meaning. While it almost became a tradition to wish the people on the new year and take some pledge for the sake of it, if we want to do something really good or important, the day doesn't matter, as each day brings new opportunity and a chance to seize them. Children probably understand this better unconsciously. नए साल का पहला दिन होता शायद खास है, मैं छोटी हूँ समझ न पाती मेरा हर दिन खास है. How can one miss the real meaning of festivals and why they needs to be celebrated? Mentioned in the book in the light manner. होली है मेलजोल का त्योहार, कड़वाहट भूलो कर लो प्यार. In addition, there are poems about Independence Day and family outing. On the whole, the poems are good. You may notice lack of grammatical attributes like full stop, but the book is not written for the literary purpose. The binding of the book is quite good and so does the page quality. The typefaces are good too. As expected, the fonts are bigger and left enough space between the lines. The illustrations by Spandan Ghosh Chaudhary requires a special mention, as it makes the book more attractive, especially from the children's perspective. I found the book price quite high. However, I am informed that the book proceeds go to Cry, Child, Rights and You. The stories are explored in 35 pages and 11 line drawings are given, which a child may like to color and enjoy. On summary, Iraqi Kahaniya by Pranav is a nice and small Hindi book that contains family, love, and value-oriented short stories written like poems. The book price is the only factor to consider, but the paper quality and book finishing is quite good. So, have you already read the book? Are you planning to read it? What do you think about this book review? Do you find it helpful in deciding whether to go for the book or not? Please do share your genuine remarks via comments below. If you have enjoyed listening to the review, please hit the like button and do not forget to share it with your friends and other fellows whom you think such reviews interest more. Till we meet with our next podcast, bye bye, take care, namaskar.